Meron ka bang visible or large pores? Actually, minsan yan nagiging cause kung bakit kayo nagkakaroon ng acne. But there are products that can help minimize or reduce your pores. This one, I'm using Frankly Pore Minimizing Serum. So, kung meron kang malalaking pores, ayan, try mong gamitin to. Medyo thick yung consistency niya, but ito yung nakahelp mag-lessen or mag-minimize ng pores ko. Aside from this, meron kayong mga serum na pwede nyong gamitin. Like yung retinol, and then gumamit din kayo ng sunscreen. Actually, yung mga product na yan is nakaka-help yan ma-stretch out yung mga pores ninyo and mag-minimize sila. Make sure na choose nyo yung sunscreen na suitable sa skin type ninyo. This one, I'm using Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen since I have dry and sensitive skin. Kung gusto nyo ma-extra moisturize yung face ninyo, yan, i-try nyo to. Make sure to choose yung proper skincare na pwede sa skin type ninyo. So yun lang guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!